Your salary is the biggest thing that's stopping you from getting what you want. Let me explain. They say that being in a not so bad situation is better than reaching rock bottom. This is why when things are good for you, you stay comfortable, you tolerate it. You don't feel enough pressure to change. But if you were completely broke, it's a different story. That would force you to make changes, forced to make a move, forced to take risks, to start a new business or learn a new skill. You wait, you tell yourself that you'll do it next year. And just like that, 5 years, 10 years are just gone. And you are still sitting in the same place. So good enough is the enemy of being great. And why most people never get free. They never get financial freedom. Not because they struggle, it's because they are comfortable. So this is your wake-up call. If you want to become financially free, type freedom in the comments and let me expose you to a business opportunity that could change your life.